6. Pass to Caranto to number 41. Basket may kasamang ka. No good. Rebound again, number 6. Pass by transition number 7. There's a whistle foul on number 2. No good. There's a whistle foul on number 7. Munoz number 2 is good. 2 points. 2 no good pa rin. Layup is good. Trying for long 2 no good. Rebound again 41 to Carvalho. Libre. 2 points. Steal again by Carvalho. Goes another goes for 3 is good. Steal number 7 Castro Libre. Number 7 behind back pass number 41 is good. Steal again. Number 9 number 34 basket by Casamang on number 2. Right pass again. Number 24, Austria is good. There's 2 points. On number 6, Castro. Number 15, Castro 17, layup no good, rebound ka number 6. Pass to Caranto to number 41. Basket may kasamang foul on number 10. First foul bonus to Roa. Bonus throw number 15. 15 setting a play. 15 penetrating inside pass. Number 11 jumper 2 no good. Rebound again number 6. Pass by transition number 7. There's a whistle foul on number 10. Second foul on number 10. 2 shots. First try na good. Ready na first last na tayo. No good pa yan. Jumper 2, number 41 is good. Number 15, number 88. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 2, not good. There's a whistle foul on number 17. Number 41, Munoz number 2 is good. 2 points. Number 15. 15, setting up the lane. 9 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds, jumper 2, no good pa rin. Rebound good back. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 41. 41, number 7, pass by transition. 28 for 2 is good. 10 down, 0 run. Number 15. 15, running jumper, no good. Rebound again. Number 28, lay up, too strong. Put back, wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 15. 15. Pass. Now, team, gotta get the press. Inside pass, number 12, not good, rebound, behind number 12, number 12, to number 41, 41, late up, no good, behind, rebound, gotta press. 42, no good, behind. Late up is good. There's a whistle. Number 7 pushing down. Trying for long two, no good. Rebound again, 41 to Carrando, libre, 2 points. Number 15, number 7 extra pass inside. 10 seconds to shoot, number 2, no good. Number 12 to 41 take the shot, laying up to strong. Number 12 again, 42, wala pa rin. Good back and there's a whistle foul on number 34, 2 shots. Let's try and snog you. Where the numbers last throw tayo. Second try, wala pa rin. Rebound pa rin, 10 seconds to shoot. Wala pa rin, rebound pa rin ng team. Still, number 41, Munoz lays it up. No good pa rin. 1:57 of first quarter. Number 15. Is still again by Carrando. Goes another. Goes 42 is good. 16-0 on the run. Number 7. Number 7, number 15 for 3, not good for Renner. Good back is 2 points on number 20. One minute back of first quarter. Castro trying for 3, not good. Beyond 56 seconds. Number 15, number 7, pass number 15, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot, still number 7, Castro libre, number 7, behind back pass, number 41, is good. 27 seconds. Number 7, number 15 for 2 is no good. Rebound pa rin, 13 seconds. Lay up to strong, 9 seconds. 5 for 2, up pa rin. Running jumper, not good from there. Inside pass, number 24 for 2, no good. Number 7. Number 23, 22. 10 seconds to steal. Pass break transition number 9. Extra basket number 24. Wala pa rin. 34 pick back. Wala pa rin. Steal again. Number 9. 34. Basket by Kasamabal. Ang number 2. 22 runner, bonus throw. Bonus throw is good. Number 23. Number 16. Please go. 16 again. Flat pass. Number 23. 23, flat pass again. Number 24, Austria is good. Number 22. Flat pass again by number 9. 24, no good here, no good pass. Number 23. 23, long back. To number 22, number 18. 10 seconds to shoot. 22 for 2 is good. Number 24 for 2, no good, di ba ba yan? Good back, wala pa rin po, pa rin. Number 23. 23 is the ball, is still. Number 24 to number 9, lays it up, wala pa rin. Number 7, lose the ball, pa rin 17, pass inside. Same ball pa rin tayo. 9 for 3, no good, good back, number 17, wala pa rin, number 20, 34 to number 9. Number 9, Cano, to Castro, to Cano again, wala pa rin, wrist, big away, good. Number 18, number 18, same ball. For 3, no good, good, number 17 is good. Number 6 to number 9, trying for 3, air ball. Rebound number 7, to number 18, pass to number 22. Number 22, running jumper, no good, rebound number 24, to number 6. 1 minute 44. Bautista, inside pass, back to Bautista. And out. Cardiac arrest. Number 15. 15. Nice pass inside. For 2 is good by number 7. Castro penetrating, and there's a whistle foul on number 34. Nice pass inside. There's a whistle foul on number 2. Hit on the head. 2 shots. First try na good. 20 numbers last row tayo. Second try. Basket. Number 15. 15 trying cover. Basket. Bilang Parlena. For 2 is good. Number 24, how do you play that pass? It's only 1 minute. Number 15. 15, pass is still. Number 9 to Castro. How do you play to number 9 to points? 41 seconds. 33 seconds for 2 are good. Rebound by number 24. Number 9, Cano. Layup is good. 20 seconds. 15. Number 7. Inside pass. 10 seconds. No good. Good back. Wala pa rin. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 3.8. That's the end of our second quarter. Scores 32 down 10.